In this video, we are going to learn how we can record the direct sales in QuickBooks. So let's get started. As we can see here in this transaction on 25th January, it says sold shirts to Mr. James Carter, which is our new customer, and this is a credit customer. Credit customer obviously means that it will be a regular customer, because otherwise we wouldn't book it as a customer name. We will just consider it as a walk-in customer or a cash customer and just treat it directly from the create sales receipt. But in this case, since it is a regular customer, I will use the create invoice option for this. So let's enter this. I'll go to create invoices and just enter the new customer. We can just copy and paste from here. Just copy here, paste here. And as I press tab, it will automatically ask you to create the customer because it couldn't find it in the list. So I'll click on quick add. And now let's start entering the items, which is a single item, which is shirts, our finished good. So we are selling this item in 500 units at a rate of 400. So we are selling the quantity, 500 is the quantity and rate is 400. This makes the total to 200,000. Now it will ask you for the price level list. You can specify each customer prices separately for the same item. That I'll explain you in much detail later. It's a very interesting area of price levels. So right now let's click OK. And just make sure that the dates and everything is correct. As we can see here that the date is 25th of January, and you can put any customer message here and memo here. In the memo, let's copy and paste this details. You can also mention it here, but it will not look very professional. And remember, you only have to mention the memo here at the bottom, because in the description, you cannot mention this because this will be printed and sent to customer directly. So let me just save and new, and let's go to the last record and let's see how it will look in the printable invoice. Let's see the print preview of it. This is a simple template. Again, we will learn how you can customize it in a much professional way, but this is the default template. So let's close this. And if you want to see the journal entry, I'll go to reports and click on transaction journal. And here it says account receivable to sales and cost of goods sold to inventory. So guys, this is how you can book the credit sales of the new customers in QuickBooks.